Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bluey Shadowlands. This super fun game from the popular show is all about imagination and movement. It's a fantastic way to get kids active and thinking creatively. We'll cover everything from setting up your play area to understanding the different roles and how to win. Get ready to step into the magical world of Shadowlands and have a brilliant time with your friends and family. To begin, you'll need to define your play space. Clearly mark out areas that represent the shadow and the sun. The sun area should be smaller, like a dangerous island. Next, one person becomes the Shadowlands queen, who must remain in the sun. All other players start safely within the shadow. This simple setup creates the perfect stage for your adventure to unfold. As the game starts, players must navigate the play area, staying strictly within the shadow. If any part of a player touches the sun, they are out. The Shadowlands Queen from her sunny island can use her magic to make the sun grow larger, shrinking the safe shadow areas. She might use a stick or her hand to draw new sun boundaries, making the game more challenging for everyone. The game concludes when only one player remains safely in the shadow, making them the winner of that round. To add more fun, you could introduce a special item, like a cushion, that acts as a temporary safe zone in the sun, movable just one time. Remember, Shadowlands is all about imagination, so feel free to invent new rules or challenges to keep the game fresh and exciting for everyone playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.